Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I will show you how to disable power throttling in Windows 10 and explain why it can help your PC run more efficiently. Step 1. Right-click on the Start button and select Task Manager. This opens the main window where you can monitor all running processes and system performance, which is essential for managing power settings. Step 2. In Task Manager, go to the Details tab on the left side. This tab gives you a more advanced view of each process running on your computer, allowing you to manage them more precisely. Step 3. At the top of the Details tab, right-click on any column header and choose Select Columns. This lets you customize which information is displayed for each process, making it easier to track specific settings like power throttling. Step 4. In the list that appears, check the box for power throttling and click OK. Enabling this column allows you to see which processes are being affected by Windows Power Management, helping you identify performance limitations. Step 5. You will now see a power throttling column in Task Manager for each process. This column shows whether a process is being throttled, giving you full visibility and control over your system's performance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.